Union Minister, Home Minister, visited the state and went one camp after another camp belonging to different communities, spent 4 days in Manipur. Home Minister of India, at the time when it was really peaking with problems, 2002 to 2017, Manipur had a Congress government. There was central government till 2014 run by the Congress party. Manipur witnessed 628 months. There is no way any one of us will be doing any help to Manipur by pointing a finger at one another. Will not get distracted by the TMC. Now I take the name. The TMC technique of shouting members down.
Susmita ji, please.
Every time somebody tries to answer the points that they raise, they shout them down.
Please take your seat.
That kind of a thing will not work in this house. I'm sorry to say this, sir. We are trying to answer the questions that have been raised here. Then there is no need to shout me down here. I will continue my answer.
Please.
In 1990s, I've heard quite a few members speak about, double-engine Sarkar, center be BJP, state be BJP. They've been double-engine Sarkar of Congress earlier. Center be Congress, Manipur be Congress. And what kind of agitations and loss of life have happened? So your double engine did not do anything. In fact, it worsened the situation, if I have to get into that kind of a topics of Trinamool Congress to shout down ministers when they speak will not be allowed, will not be entertained. We are giving answers. We are giving answers. You should have the strength of your conviction to hear the answers here. So other than that, there are I'm going by individual observations made by honourable members, trying to respond to them. Again, commencing from Manipur budget and Manipur law and order issues, several members have spoken. Member Honourable Shakti Singh Gohil, Bikash Ranjan Bhattacharjee, Sushmita Dev, Sanjay Singh, Sulata Dev, Manoj Kumar Jha, Mr. P. Wilson, Vaiko, Santosh Kumar, all of them have spoken about it. So I will broadly explain the context, sir. I want to understand, equally state some facts before the House. Sir, Manipur is a border state. Manipur, at least all of us know, since some decades, has gone through quite a crisis. And every time there is a recovery, it goes back to some other situation. So every government has handled it with that sensitivity. I am not differentiating between this government or that government. There have been situations much, much more in terms of human loss, more in terms of asset loss and so on. So when we speak about the state, I will say that every voice which has been voiced in this House has the same sensitivity as much as all of us have. There is no way any one of us will be doing any help to Manipur by pointing a finger at one another. But even with that said, I will definitely try to remind some passionate voices which speak as if everything was calm and never has there been a situation like this ever before in Manipur. Sir, in 1990s, I've heard quite a few members speak about, double-engine Sarkar, center be BJP, state be BJP. They've been double-engine Sarkar of Congress earlier. Center be Congress, Manipur be Congress. And what kind of agitations and loss of life have happened? So your double engine did not do anything. In fact, it worsened the situation, if I have to get into that kind of a talk. We are, all of us here, committed to get that state back to some normalcy, and we want that state to grow and prosper as much as any other state. There cannot be, even for a moment, a mockery of kind of things that we want to state when that state is suffering, and all of us will have to be working towards.
Please take your seat, Mr. Gokhale. Nothing is going on record. Please take your seat. Madam, take your seat. Please, nothing is going on record. Take your seat.
I will not get distracted by the TMC. Now I take the name. The TMC technique of shouting members down.
Susmita ji, please.
Every time somebody tries to answer the points that they raise, they shout them down.
Please take your seat.
That kind of a thing will not work in this house. I'm sorry to say this, sir. We are trying to answer the questions that have been raised here. Then there is no need to shout me down here. I will continue my answer.
Please, please.
Sir, to 1990s, double engine Congress के सरकार, double engine Congress सरकार के समय, how many people died? I want to say, why in 1990s the then Prime Minister did not visit, the then Home Minister did not visit? I would like to ask that question as much as...
Please take your seats. I am not allowed
sir,
to put in question.
This tactics, I'm now saying the name, sir. This tactics of Trinamool Congress to shout down ministers when they speak will not be allowed, will not be entertained. We are giving answers. We are giving answers. You should have the strength of your conviction to hear the answers here.
Please listen the answers, please.
I'm coming point by point for every one of the questions that they've raised. If they don't have the conviction to sit and listen it, they can choose whatever they want. But it is not appropriate to shout a minister down when they are answering your questions. Have the patience. Sir, I will remind you, sir, in 2002-2017, 2002 to 2017, Manipur had a Congress government. There was central government till 2014 run by the Congress party. Manipur witnessed 628 bunds. Sir, Honorable Member Sushmita Dev, Honorable Member, has reasons to be worried about Manipur, she said, and I agree. She comes from an area which is close to Manipur and she knows so much about what's happening there. She raised a lot of questions. I am trying to answer each one of them. If it is an attempt to shut me down, it means that her allegations are not right. If she's got the strength of her conviction, she should hear my answers. And after that, I will sit down, welcome, if you permit her, to ask any number of questions more. But what's the point in shouting me down if there are other members who can also benefit from the answer that I'm giving? She's raised valid questions. I want to answer them. No, they've run out. That's because their tactics is always, don't allow a minister to answer, do all your mudslinging, go away. I know they are watching on the television. Sir, 2000, sorry? I'm giving you the answer. I'm giving answer. To their chief minister they have to register that they protested. But this house is not the street of Bengal. Not any street of Kolkata. Order prevails. You run the house per the rule and we obey the rule. It's not, any street in Kolkata where they can scream, shout, pelt stones and run away. Sir, between that time when Congress was ruling in centre and in Manipur, 628 bunds had happened. Several blockades had happened during the 15 years then, and also cost huge loss. The state exchequer had lost nearly 2,828 crore. It was assessed. 2,828 crore was lost during that period. Sir, and the worst economic blockade had happened at that time. And it occurred in 2011, lasting over 120 days, causing severe shortages. Petrol price was 200 rupees per litre. LPG cylinder cost 2,000 rupees per cylinder. Petrol price is 200 per litre and LPG cylinder 2,000 per cylinder. So, what is the current situation, sir? The current situation when this problem started? Union Minister, Home Minister, visited the state and went one camp after another camp belonging to different communities, spent 4 days in Manipur. Home Minister of India. At the time when it was really peaking with the problem, he went, spent camp after camp. Sorry?
Please.
Please
take your seat.
The question is, this sort of communal violence is unique in Manipur, which put there.
Thank you.
Never
Please
before.
take
I'm
it.
reading out loud before. Sir, interestingly, sir, I'm sure the honorable members will know, honorable member is from CPM. So, yeah, I would like to say it again. No doubt in my mind about it. But I'm sure you don't have a doubt yourself. Honorable member is from CPM, sir. West Bengal saw the worst riots ever in history under the CPM rule. Tripura suffered under the CPM rule. Kerala is not able to recover because of the horrible policy of industrialization that they had. To the extent, sir,
Please,
to the extent, sir, Santosh Kumar ji, please sit down.
Please take your seat.
To the extent, sir, today Kerala's minister gives an interview in the papers saying Noku Kuli is not there anymore in Kerala. Can I say what that Noku Kuli was, sir? Noku Kuli is a place where Noku Kuli happens when workers are all sitting together looking if there can be some work. You and me or anybody going to Kerala get off the bus. On the top. Yes,
Please,
I will talk.
please.
Because you came up with a lot of things.
Let her reply. Please take your seat. Please.
Sir.
Please take your seat.
You get off the bus, sir. Honorable members will find this interesting. Nowhere else you will find it. From the bus, you have to remove your luggage. People are sitting on the ground. You will say, hey, please help me. Kitna dena hai? You will say some coolie and then you will have to bring the luggage down. Assume he has to be paid 50 rupees. You will actually have to pay 50 plus another 50. You will ask why? The other 50 is Noku Kuli. What is Noku in the Malayalam, sir? Noku means look. Meaning, I will be sitting and watching here. I may be a CPM card holder. I'll be sitting and watching and the person, actual Kuli brings the luggage down, he gets 50 rupees. But for me, being a card holder member, watching that act itself, I need to get 50 rupees. That is Noku Kuli for you, sir. So, it is that kind of communism that has killed industry in Kerala, that kind of communism which has killed industry in Bengal, that kind of industry. Santosh Kumar, listen to me.
No permission from the chair.
Sir, with your permission, sir.
Yes,
with your permission,
sir.
I want to say, if he is trying to tell me that no such a practice exists, 2 days ago, Honorable Chief Minister, I think, gave an interview. Kerala Chief Minister, I think, gave an interview in which he says there is no Noku Kuli nowadays, which means it was there before. Yes. Am I bluffing? Come on, Santosh ji. It's all right. You're doing all right. Don't deny what I'm saying. I'm also from that region. I may not be from any particular city in Kerala, sir.